I'm in a Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Next to me is an Audi RS4. I've got a 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 with 550 horsepower and 770 Newton meters, but this car weighs 2.25 tonnes. That has a 2.9-litre twin turbo V6 with 450 horsepower, 600 Newton meters, and it weighs just over 1,700 kilos. Now we're going to have a drag race. We're going to find out which is the quickest over a standing quarter mile. Both these cars have the exact same claimed 0 to 60 time of 4.1 seconds. So this is going to be very interesting. Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to vote which you think is going to win, this Cayenne or that RS4. You ready? Let's race. Got a better start. Oh, it's close, but I think this Cayenne Turbo is going to do it. Oh, it's really close. I think this was down to the start. No, there we go. I've got a slightly better start than him, but it was always just increasing its lead ever so slightly. That is how fast this SUV is. It's just nuts.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Cayenne did the standing quarter mile in 12.3 seconds, whereas the RS4 did it in 12.5 seconds. However, I've had a much better time out of the Audi before, and its driver said its engine bogged off the line, so I agreed to have a rematch.
3, 2, 1,
Oh, we got a better start. On his way. Come on, Cayenne. Come on. I'm gathering him back up, but I don't think I'm going to do it. Oh dear, that wasn't a great start.
This time the results were reversed, and it was the Audi which crossed the line first in 12.2 seconds. Whereas this time the Porsche took 12.4 seconds. With one win each, we decided to do a third and final race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, neck and neck start. Oh, he's coming past. I think he's got me.
In the final race, both cars got a great start, but the Audi won by crossing the line in just 12.1 seconds, whereas the Porsche took 12.2 seconds. So in the end, the Audi took the overall victory, with 2 wins to 1, and the fastest standing quarter mile time.
If you enjoyed this video, please click on our logo to subscribe to this channel, or to watch more content on the bottom right hand corner. However, if you want to save money on a car, click on the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save at CarWow.